Success must be required. Success must be required. Okay. Next, the money earning must be required. But your health is also required. Your family spending time is also required. Next, the relationships also required. All these things are by default considered overall success, not only earning money. So he earned crores of money. He started multiple companies, but his fiancée threw the engagement ring on his face, and then she went. Not real success. That's why then Dan realized that this is not the way of doing the things. We require some systems. We require some processes. Okay, these are the systems. These are the processes must be required. Okay, to build your successful life. Like he is going to suggest multiple things. We are going to learn those things. That person is the best person. Okay, to tell, to explain the systems processes, because this person saw so peak downstage, peak upstage. Okay, all the things this person saw in his life. From this person, we are going to learn multiple things.